2, 3, 4?
And that makes 5.
And there are 4 of them.
Huh?
Oh, there's supposed to be 5. One's missing.
That's terrible.
So maybe that's the icy friend the Oracle was talking about.
It's a place to start.
Now spin! Higher! More twirling! There's not nearly enough twirling! Huh? Why has it stopped?
It appears to be kaput.
Then fix it. Now! As long as the golden horn is not in my hands, I at least deserve amusement!
Lord Draken, my field medical experience, which, may I add, has been underutilized until now, may prove useful here. And
Hey, watch it.
a hero does what is necessary. You won't sacrifice a scrap of cloth for our Lord Dracon's happiness? Huh? Maybe a true hero should be running things.
Fine. Any other scraps I can sacrifice to make you look good?
Cease your endless bickering! I do not care to wait for this thing to heal. Bring me a new one!
But your masterness!
Of course, my master. Be smart for once. A new Bluebottle will be much easier to get than a unicorn with a golden horn.
A new one it is. Yes, my lord.
One of their friends might be in trouble. We've got to help find it.
Oh my gosh, they're burning up. We've got to cool them down.
Right. Okay, new strategy?
You want cool? There's nothing cooler than the next brilliant idea from this genius inventor!